So what is a patent attorney versus a patent agent? This video is going to explain the difference between patent attorneys and patent agents and also give you some insight on whether you want to hire one over the other. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Dylan Adams. I am a patent attorney and author of the best-selling book, Patents Demystified, which is an insider's guide to protecting ideas and inventions used by inventors, entrepreneurs, and startups worldwide, including top universities like Harvard, Stanford, and MIT. You also might recognize me from my appearance on CNBC's hit show, The Profit with Marcus Lemonis. So, patent attorneys and patent agents. Let's first start with what these folks have in common, and that is the fact that they have both passed the patent bar. What is the patent bar? Okay, so the patent bar is a specific bar exam set up by the United States Patent and Trademark Office that allows folks to represent clients before the United States Patent and Trademark Office in the patent examination process. It allows folks to draft patent applications, file them at the United States Patent and Trademark Office, and then work with the patent examiner representing their client to hopefully get the patent application issued as a patent. Okay, so when it comes to the patent bar, people have to have certain qualifications to be able to sit for it, and that's both patent agents and patent attorneys. And that qualification is a technical background. The technical background can be a lot of different things. It can be things like computer science, electrical engineering, it can be math, physics, mechanical engineering, but it's going to be a technical background having to do with the technology that the person is going to represent clients for. And the reason behind this is because folks have to know the technology as well, if not better, than the people that they're representing. So to give you an example, my technical background is in biochemistry and molecular biology. I also have a master's in electrical engineering. So, I have a good technical background that really helps me understand the inventions that my clients bring to me. And I really have to know those, like I said, as well, if not better than them, because patent applications are really detailed descriptions of inventions. People don't realize, they can be 30 pages, 100 pages, and with extreme detail about the technology. So that's why to be a patent agent or patent attorney, to even sit for the patent bar, to be eligible to represent folks before the USPTO, people have to have a technical background. Okay, so what makes a patent agent versus a patent attorney? So a patent attorney, we'll start with that first. So a patent attorney has also passed a bar in one state. And typically, so the person has gone to law school, they sat for at least one state bar, and they are an attorney. They also have taken the patent bar, so they are a patent attorney. That's what makes a patent attorney versus a patent agent. A patent agent is not an attorney. They are somebody who has a technical background, is eligible to sit for the patent bar, but is not an attorney. They didn't go to law school. They haven't passed any state bar, so they can't say that they are an attorney or a lawyer. And those folks are called patent agents. All right, so why would you want to hire one over the other? And there's definitely positives and negatives to either. And it's not like not like patent agents are not as good because they're not attorneys. That's not necessarily the case. I know a lot of great patent agents, and I even started my career as a patent agent. And maybe I'll kind of give you that little story real quick. So when I was in law school, I actually took the patent bar, passed the patent bar, and was a patent agent all throughout law school. I started a patent firm, had offices in downtown Seattle, and represented clients all throughout law school until I finished law school and passed the Washington State Bar and became an attorney and became a patent attorney. So I've been a patent agent, and I know what that journey is like. The biggest difference between attorneys and patent agents is that patent agents can't represent you in a legal capacity since they're not an attorney. And that can be a limitation in some ways. So for instance, they can't do analyses related to infringement or non-infringement because that involves the law. That's case law and things. So they really shouldn't be providing you an analysis related to whether you infringe something or not. And they're not supposed to be doing things related to contract law or related to licensing or other types of law. They can't represent you in terms of copyright or trademark, trade secrets, things like that. A lot of times, those things are intimately associated when it comes to inventing. And so a patent attorney who has the right background with business and who knows about these other things can really provide you valuable insight on other sorts of ways to protect your inventions, other ways to say like license or sell your inventions. And those are things that patent agents aren't able to do because they're not attorneys. That being said, one of the benefits of working with a patent agent is they tend to be less expensive. Their their billable hour or their flat fees tend to be lower than patent attorneys are because they haven't gone to law school, they aren't attorneys, and so a lot of times they can work at a lower rate than attorneys do, and that can be beneficial. I would say one thing is, at my firm, we have a lot of patent agents. We even have folks we call them patent scientists, who are people who aren't attorneys and haven't even passed the patent bar yet, and those folks, they help support patent attorneys and patent agents. They are an integral part of what we do. We have a lot of staff as well, paralegals and patent secretaries. Those folks are extremely important to what they do. So there's folks who run the gambit when it comes to representing people before the USPTO and supporting folks like patent attorneys or patent agents. So again, I don't think that there's any big thing to say, hey, you should definitely hire a patent attorney, or you should definitely hire a patent agent. Just know the limitations of hiring a patent agent and understand that they can't represent you as an attorney. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to know what you think about it in the comments down below. Let me know, did you agree with everything? Did I leave something out? Do you have any additional questions about patent agents or patent attorneys? I would love to know also if you have any suggestions for additional videos. What would you like to know about startups and patents? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you want, we have great content on the channel that is really gonna help you, so be sure to subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you get notifications when new videos comes out. Thanks again for watching, really appreciate it, and we will see you again in the next video. Thanks.